Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You open your Canva design and locate the image you want to remove. Click the image once so the selection handles and top toolbar appear. This tells you the layer is active. If you see a padlock or selection fails, unlock the layer by right-clicking or tapping the padlock icon. Once done, glance at the toolbar so you can choose Delete or Replace. That first click and unlock are what let you change the canvas without accidentally moving other elements. You can delete the picture with a single delete or backspace press once selected, which clears it from the canvas. Alternatively, choose Replace in the top toolbar to swap the image with one from the Photos tab. This preserves size and position. For background images, open Background Settings and pick Replace Image or Remove Background if available. Make sure to check alignment and spacing after removal. Swapping keeps layout intact, while deletion may you finish by reviewing the canvas. Adjust nearby elements, regroup related objects, and lock layers you want to protect. If you removed an image by mistake, use Undo, Control, or CMD+Z immediately or visit version history to restore earlier states. If the image resists deletion, make sure it isn't locked, part of a group, or protected by file permissions. Ungroup or unlock it and try again. Finally, save or download your design to confirm the removal persisted and looks as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.